If you've ever experienced bouts of insomnia, then you know how unbelievably stressful and exhausting it can be to lay restless and unable to sleep at night. Many people have dealt with this issue, but very few have tried to do something to prevent from it. Luckily, the insomniacs are now offered a natural homemade tea that fights insomnia. Mostly, insomnia occurs if you are dealing with too much stress or sometimes because of depression. A lot of medicine were triggered by insomnia because no matter how much a person is tired, if his or her brain is working actively, they won't be able to fall asleep. Taking some medications like painkillers or antihistamines or even medications for heart and pressure are all causing a lot of problems and side effects. But when you start taking them, they will make you even more stressed and awake. Therefore, we found out this tea that can deal with insomnia and even eliminate it out of your life. Ingredients: 1 organic banana, 1 small pot of water, a dash of cinnamon, optional. The banana tea. This tea is very simple and easy to make. You will just need a little time and a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. This tea that is made from banana is very tasty, but not only that, it provides amazing benefits. The banana peels are very rich with magnesium and potassium, and we all know that magnesium is very beneficial for sleeping issues. And combining these two ingredients or minerals can provide quite amazing effects for our health in general, and also relax our muscles. Be aware that you need to get 100% organic bananas to make this tea, because the non-organic ones contain a lot of pesticides in their peels. Directions: all you need to do is cut off both ends of the banana and place it, peel and all, into the boiling water. Boil it for around 10 minutes. Using a colander, pour the water into a mug. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle the cinnamon into the tea. Drink it 1 hour before bedtime. If you're worried about being wasteful, you've clearly never had a boiled banana before. After the banana has been boiled, sprinkle some cinnamon over it. Eating the warm, gooey fruit and its peel along with the tea will increase its soothing effects. Not to mention, it makes a yummy dessert. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.
Eating the warm, gooey fruit and its peel along with the tea will increase its soothing effects. Not to mention, it makes a yummy dessert.